Nora's song in the dock. A song now at the center of outrage, sparking on screen but raising serious questions of it. The makers of KD the Devil have taken their latest track featuring Nora Fatehi private on YouTube after massive backlash over alleged vulgar and suggestive content. The song Sarse Ninna Serega Sarse, also released in Hindi as Sarke Chunar Teri Sarke, was pulled down within just 24 hours as criticism flooded social media. Set against a dance bar backdrop, the video shows Nora Fatehi with lyrics and visuals that rely on double meanings and objectification. The controversy has now escalated beyond social media. The National Human Rights Commission member Priyank Kanungo has strongly criticized the song, questioning whether it is suitable for civilized family viewing. Take a listen.
हमारे पास जेम्स ऑफ बॉलीवुड और राष्ट्रज्योति नामक ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस ने शिकायत की है। उनका कहना ये है कि एक संजय दत्त और नोरा फतेही करके कोई एक्ट्रेस है और उन्होंने ये एक गाना शूट किया है, रकीब आलम के इसमें गीत लिखे हुए हैं और वो बहुत गंदा है, महिलाओं के लिए अपमानजनक है। हम इस मामले में मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन ब्रॉडकास्टिंग को, सेंसर बोर्ड को, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आईटी को नोटिस कर रहे हैं क्योंकि यूट्यूब पर भी रिलीज किया गया है। तो सेंसर ने इस तरीके की गंदगी को कैसे सर्टिफिकेट दिया, हम उनसे सवाल पूछ रहे हैं और उसमें जो अधिकारी दोषी हैं उन पर कार्रवाई के लिए निर्देश देंगे।
This film is originally in Kannada, ladies and gentlemen, and that's why it gets such a place in the South Indian. Others from the film fraternity have also reacted. Listen into Kangana Ranaut, and when we come back to the story.
चीप पीआर टैक्टिक्स और अटेंशन सीकिंग के लिए बॉलीवुड ने हर हद पार कर दी है। सारा देश जो है वो उनको धिक्कार रहा है, उनको फटकार रहा है, लेकिन कोई, मुझे नहीं लगता उनको कोई भी शर्म है, क्योंकि इस तरह के गाने हम बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं। ये कोई बड़ी बात अभी नहीं हुई है, लेकिन बीच बीच में उन पर प्रतिबंध लगा है और अभी मुझे लगता है उनके लिए और ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्टनेस होनी चाहिए। और इस तरह की अश्लीलता जो है का प्रदर्शन, जिस तरह से सामाजिक जो है संस्कृति को भी लेकर फैमिली के साथ बैठकर टीवी ऑन करना जो है दुश्वार हो गया है, तो इसका भी जो है मुझे लगता है बॉलीवुड पे कुछ अच्छी लगाम लगानी पड़ेगी।
All right, reports suggest notices have been issued to the filmmakers. At the same time, an advocate has also approached the Central Board of Film Certification, seeking an immediate ban, claiming the content is obscene and harmful, especially for minors. Bengali filmmaker Oni Eid has also reacted, calling the song rubbish and raising questions over what gets censored and what does not. The big question now, in the name of entertainment, are we normalizing content that reduces women to just mere spectacles? At a time when conversations around dignity and representation are growing by the day, why does mainstream cinema still sell objectification as glamour? Is this creative freedom or casual misogyny in disguise? Let me now go across to Vineet Jindal, the advocate and social activist who actually petitioned and said there should be a ban, and Shazia Almi, well-known social activist. Thank you both for joining us on this broadcast. I first want to go to Vineet Jindal. Vineet Jindal ji, the song has been pulled down, the Hindi version, but the Kannada version remains. I mean, Kannadigas, much like you and I, also have, you know, a sensibility. I mean, you tell me, what did you find very, you know, objectionable in this song, and what made you really go to court?
Look, I have seen that since so many occasions now the film industry like undertake the harm the dignity of a woman since long. This song is also one of the step in this particular direction. I have filed a complaint with the CBFC and also with the Information Broadcasting Ministry for seeking ban on this particular song because of this. The words in this used in this song is very vulgar and obscene. So this is some kind of the thing which is need to be take care before. But I must say here, this is also one very big question now, because this is kind of gray area where the Central Board of Certification, film certification, is not come to picture, because this movie does not get the censor certificate till now, but the trailer of the movie has been released and the song has been released, but without any censor certificate. So this is also kind of gray area which has been misused by the director for some kind of negative popularity seeking a negative popularity of this movie, of this
All right.
song, or through this song.
All right. Let me come back to you. Shazia, you know, I know that you're not going to give anybody a moral lecture. One has known you for years. You say each to her own or his own. But then anything which is in the public space, domain, like you're a public figure and, you know,
Yes.
there are things that you do, the things you won't do. You know, I've seen it. Do you think that we've really crossed this line about, and I'll tell you what, what happens is, Shazia, what happens is that you say, oh, it sounds vulgar to you, but it sounds very okay to me. Aren't you being a moral auntie or a moral policing? You know, I think when it's for public consumption, there has to be some kind of, you know, a self-imposed censorship to say, hey, it's not for you and I, that we can laugh about it, but it's for the people outside. Shazia Almi.
Sudha, you're absolutely right. We are nobody to sermonize and moralize and give lectures on this. But look at the visuals. Look at the optics of it all. See what Indian girls, women go through day after day. We're not talking about Mumbai and other, you know, cities where there is freedom. Think of a young girl in Meerut returning from her coaching classes. I studied in Kanpur. We have a house in Chamanganj, Kanpur, a very a backward area where women were mostly covered, and you know it was fear of these songs being sung to us, and it was we would be filled with fear which was palpable, with dread. People would be doing this, and I always felt, how can this be okay? So it is not just the dignity of a woman; it's dignity of a society. And do we want men to be the way the Sanjay Dutt has been portrayed? I mean, just look at that lecherous, leery look to that male prototype that we want to ascribe, that we want to, you know, our youngsters to learn from. Is this any way a woman would want to be wooed? I mean, I understand the actors, so let the anger not be against them. They play a role, there are adult films, and so
Yeah.
be it.
Yeah.
So they're doing a role, and they accepted it. That's a mistake. But the fact of the matter is, do we want this image of men, you know, literally going out there taking the right, and a woman being just an object of male desire, not even desire. It's a man's might, and a woman is there for the titillation of the man. That's all her purpose in life is. That's all she's living for. That's all that she means to anybody.
Right.
And I think it's such a terrible way for a woman to look at herself. It's such a terrible way for a man to look at himself. It is a horrible way to look at the gender dynamics between man and a woman. Is this how we want? I don't want my son to imitate Sanjay Dutt at all.
Yeah.
I don't want look at the actions there. I don't want my daughter, anybody's daughter, out there to think she should want to be like Nora Fatehi,
Right.
to entice men
Yeah.
like that who will be there, and hordes of men who look at her as some kind of flesh
Yeah.
and meat.
Yeah, I know.
She's not there. We are sexual beings. We are intellectual beings. We are social beings. We are all of that. But to be reduced to, you know, I find it very problematic.
Yeah, but Shazia, you know, I mean, you're right, absolutely, and thank you for bringing attention to Sanjay Dutt. I mean, who's such a senior actor, and you know, it's not just Nora who's doing that; it's also Sanjay. Look at those. I mean, why absolve him? I mean, he's a man who's done some good films, comes from a very illustrious family of Nargisji and Sunil
Yes.
Dutt, and you know, I do not know what he's doing there, as if he did not understand, because the paragraph, the lyrics, the first paragraph, antara जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं, it is downright, even a 12-year-old will understand what she is trying to say, and it is almost like, you know, telling a man what to do. But Shazia Ilmi, before I go back to Vineet, I want to ask you something. List बनाते हैं गानों की, सरकाई लोग खटिया जाड़ा लगे, then you have
मैं बताऊंगी मैं चीज बड़ी हूँ मस्त
मस्त, वो
And I pause to
चलिए,
say,
वो
you know,
तो
Ravina is a friend, and it's all right, she's acting. There should be a warning there. This Ravina Tandon is acting. What she's saying is about herself. It is not to be sung to, wolf whistled to, and used against girls out there
Yeah.
who are just trying
but-
to,
yeah,
who
sure.
just who just want to ensure that they're not dropped out of
You know, but
secondary
Shazia,
school.
when Choli ke piche kya hai happened, Doordarshan and AIR banned it. It's back now in circulation. Unka kar diya. They have again done the same thing, but they have
शीला की
remixed it.
जवानी
Huh?
I mean, can you imagine? And there we have Kaifi Azmi Sahab who says, "Qadr teri tareekh ne jaani hi nahi. Teri hasti bhi hai ek cheez jawani hi nahi." And look at the regression. The woman is just about a jawani.
Yes.
It's just, and it's so sad. What are we reducing ourselves to? This is not progress. This is not progress at all.
Not at all.
And do we want, so it's मैं चीज बड़ी हूँ मस्त मस्त, शीला की जवानी, and there were songs on beauty. तारीफ करूँ या उसकी जिसने तुझे बनाया, ये
Right.
चांद सा रोशन चेहरा. All those, so there are paeans to beauty, and those are lovely. But to make a woman out to be just an object of male desire, it's disgusting. Because you're reducing women to that,
Yeah,
and
right.
it's a woman's choice.
Yeah.
And is there a choice when it comes to popular culture? Because this is the culture that is consumed
Right.
by the teeming millions.
Right, when it
And
counts.
there's a whole relationship between prey and predator.
Yeah.
Why would a woman alone by herself? Why does she come across to a male as a prey?
Okay.
Look at the dynamics of it,
Right.
and how these songs contribute to that.
Yeah. Also, Vineet, I want to come to you and ask you that you say that, even a censor certificate was not issued, they have released the trailer. Now, this filmmaker is not a novice, he's done earlier films. Tell me something, can it be that censor just clamps down and bans the entire film and say that, why did you do this? Who asked you to do this? Do you have a certificate? A hai aapke paas? Do you have you? Nothing. How could you then go and, release the trailer? It's a question I'm asking you, considering that you must have read the details of
definitely,
it.
Shraddha. And there is a law, 2021 social media platforms regulations, which is formed by central government, that says that any vulgarity or any kind of content which is shared on social media, which is not to be supposed to be shared, and a violation of any law of the country, like this song is against the law of the country. This is a criminal act. This is obscenity. Obscenity is an offense in our BNS. So this is also against the POSCO Act. So without any description of age and factor or any concern, they have released it. So definitely the central government take initiative or take action against this particular movie, this particular song. That's why I have filed a complaint with the IB ministry also, because this is not a small issue. This is going and going again and again. Our film industry is showing a woman as an object, which is wrong. We have prey before the women. So how can they use a woman as an object, shown as a woman as an object? This is wrong. This is totally wrong.
Yeah, but
So
then,
we are raising our
Vineet,
voice
I'm
against
asking you something that way. If you listen to a lot of, I'm sorry, with due apologies to Bhojpuri songs, Tamil songs, some of them, beep beep song, then half the songs across the industry should not be there at all, Vineet Jindal.
Yes, definitely. That's why there is a very big question that what censor board has been doing. They have responsibility to take down all this kind of songs or any
Right.
kind of vulgar content. Why not they are taking action, initiating on these particular things? So we are taking initiative. We are fighting for this since long. We have recently you have heard about this thing. I have filed a complaint against X. There are so many pornographic content has been shared that has been taken down by the central government, and I appreciate the step which is taken by the central government. In the same
Wish
manner,
it could be done to Instagram. I've seen some extremely risky and vulgar and downright derogatory stuff on Instagram. I mean, I've seen it. I was asking somebody, isn't someone monitoring Instagram? But then you're right, a lot of this stuff needs to go because it's in public domain. If you want to do it in your privacy, absolutely, you can do that. I want to, before I move out of this debate, Shazia Ilmi, I want to ask you the last question, and I want to ask you, there is also a fear I have, Shazia, that people may start attacking Nora, and that shouldn't happen. The buck is, it's not that she's to blame, maybe she only knew that much. I'm not absolving her, but the thing is, it's about security of the person. Don't you think that it is more about the way the society has become? Look at the filmmaker. I mean,
I want to, Sudha, you have
Ji.
a point. But the point that I want to make, do you know when we study rape and what goes on into the mind of a rapist, why do rapes happen? You realize that rapes happen mostly not to women who are wearing bikinis out there in the middle of the night, but they're known to happen to women, girls, young girls, to senior citizens, by people known to them. It's a mentality. Is that dynamics that I'm talking about? Somebody like Nora Fatehi can look after herself. Somebody like Sunny Leone can look after herself. They would have the means. They would have the money. But do ordinary girls have that? when this becomes normalized, that to let at a girl, to encourage a man, and this is manly, go misbehave, go out there, she's there for the asking. And the woman, all she wants is to, be this object of this male sexual fantasy. It's all right, but you know what it does to people, to girls out there, to young boys out there? That is very scary. They don't have security guards. They don't have that. This is the reason why the access is so there's access is denied to girls. This is the reason why there are not many more girls out there in the workforce. And we want to perpetuate that. So it's a very serious question. And I think it might sound, and a lot of people might find it, that what Vinny Jindal is saying to be medieval or primitive. But, a woman is not just an object. She could be for a boyfriend, for a husband, but to society at last. And are we going to encourage these images?
Yeah.
You look at the expressions of Sanjay Dutt, and all the men around him. Just look at that. Do we want men in our society to look at ourselves, our daughters, our sisters like that?
Right.
It's a question for every man that I want to ask right now, and every woman too. Because a shadi after shadi I go to, they're little girls and who don't know any better. And there's so much of over sexualization. They all want to dance to Sheila Ki Jawani, and they
I
think
know.
it's okay.
It's
It is not
ridiculous.
normal. Let's not normalize it.
Absolutely.